Good morning, everyone. I'm at work right now. Hindi pa ako nag-i-start. I start at 6 o'clock in the morning. Um, I just got my schedule for next week and I have a couple days off. I request a PTO because maraming ganap next week. That's including Halloween for the kids parade, and I have to be there for the parade, for their parade, because I'm the only one can go there. Um, and meron yung mga Halloween dito sa Amerika, kumukuha sila ng candy. They go to each house and ask for candy kung meron. Kung wala naman, okay lang naman din. So the kids can have fun and the adults too. Malamig. Pero para sa mga anak ko, gagawin ko lahat. Anything. Anything they ask, I'll do it. So I have to do that, and also I have what else do I need to go? And my daughter has soccer this Friday. Um, ang soccer niya, hindi ako kasama niya yung coach niya. Um, ang soccer niya is 9 o'clock at night. So, matatapos yung mga 10 or 11. And it is 3 hours drive to go there. It's further down New York or it's further down North Jersey. I have no clue. But overall, and I just wanna be off and be with my kids. Sayang din yun, no? PTO din yun. Doon ka lang sa bahay, bayad ka, you know. So, ganon yung ganap dito. So, rest lang muna tayo, enjoy sa panghingi ng day off. Sobrang stress dito sa trabaho, alam niyo na. Minsan hindi ako nakakapag-live, hindi rin ako minsan nakaka-update, nakaka-post ng short video or videos kasi nga minsan stress ako sa work. Sobrang stress. Maraming ganap sa work, maraming marami silang mga ayaw at mga gusto. I don't know. Yun nga, pinatawag nga ako sa office. Pinatawag ako sa office kahapon. Yun na lang. Oo lang ako ng oo. Ganun talaga, kailangan talaga natin ng trabaho. Hindi naman natin pwede makapag-argue. Mawalan tayo ng trabaho para sa pamilya din to. See ya! Goodbye!